Aloha, I'm Bhavani Maki with Yoga Kauai with some ways to warm up your wrists for vinyasa practice or just throughout your day. Come onto the all fours position, and I'd like you to imagine that you're a large feral cat. This is no fifi or fufu. And simply pad your hands forward and then turn your hands out and pad your hands. Just feel all those lovely little intricate bones moving. Then turn your fingers in and pad your hands forward and back. And then finally, with your fingertips pointing back. This is great for carpal tunnel. And although it may feel uncomfortable in your wrists, it's actually highly therapeutic. Hope this helps. Tell me how it feels.